Did you guys call?
Yeah, we just showed she's trying to scam us with credit fake ID and credit card.
How?
What do you got? What's going on?
I don't have nothing. It's the card.
35 and 25 all parties. What card do you have? Like, why do they think it's...
American Express and driver license. When I scanned it, it came out to different name and address.
All right, let me take a look. What's your name? Ma'am? What's your name?
My name?
Your name? Emily? Emily what? And this is your driver's license? All right. Is the address on it correct? And what is that address?
The address upstairs.
Okay. Why are they saying this isn't coming up? What's going on?
I have no idea.
Okay. What's your date of birth? Okay. Do you have any other driver's license in any other states?
No.
Alright, just let me try to figure out what's going on, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
So can I leave?
Nope.
'Cause I have like
No, you can't. You're
Uber.
being detained right now.
Okay, well I have the Uber waiting for me outside.
Okay, you're being detained right now.
What does that mean?
That means you are not free to go anywhere. Okay? 35 clear too?
Can I talk to you guys? You good for a second?
Can you run me a Connecticut DL?
Hey, how's it going, guys? So what's going on? Yeah.
So she came in with a plan to purchase a Rolex watch, and she tried to use a fake ID and the credit card name matching to fake ID. When I scanned the ID, came out different name and address in my system, so I figured she is trying to scam us. I think she's working with somebody. She texting to some. Maybe she had like a boss on top of
Okay.
her.
Did you give the IDs back
I gave
to?
it to police officer.
Okay, give it to them. Okay, so what was she? How much was she supposed to be purchasing
It
this
was
one?
12,300 total purchase of the Rolex watch.
So she came in for 12,300. What kind of Rolex was
It's
it?
a Rolex Submariner.
What was it?
A Rolex Submariner.
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 Okay. And then she presented you. What kind of ID was it?
It's a. Don't remember, but you're.
Okay, I'll take a look at it. You don't remember what state it was out of, anything like that. You said it looked like her, but when you ran it, the
Looks like
address
her.
was different.
Address and name was different. When I scanned it,
Okay.
barcode on the back.
Okay. All right, let me go take a look at it. Yep.
So, for example, what is in our system, Kimberly Harrison,
Mm-hmm.
and the ID itself, the Emily, which matching the card,
Okay.
and completely different address, and
Okay.
the ID is look weird.
Okay, let me take a look at it. Was this the watch that she was supposed to be buying here?
This one.
That one? Okay. Ma'am, can you stay off your phone, please?
Okay, well I'm letting somebody know the situation.
What's that?
I'm letting somebody know the situation.
What's the situation though?
The situation.
What's that?
Cops.
Cops what?
I don't know.
I told her she's detained right now. The DL's not coming back as anything.
Okay. So, ma'am, stay off your phone, okay? All right? I need you to just have a seat over here, and I need to read something to you before we talk to you, okay? Okay, these are your rights. You speak English fully and understand it? Okay, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questions if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions. You understand that? Okay, so what's going on?
Nothing. I'm here to buy a watch.
Okay. So you came in to buy the Rolex watch?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
I mean, so what's the process? Like, are you guys gonna like? tell
So
me
you're being
jail?
detained right now
What does
because
that mean?
you're not free to leave.
So am I going to jail?
That's the process we're going through. That's why I'm asking you questions so I can figure out what's going on because I can't just come into a situation and arrest you, right?
Right.
Okay. So, can I see those? Okay, so you came in and you presented these two things to them, correct? Okay. Do you have any documentation that has your right information on it?
No.
Okay. And who is this on the driver's license?
That's me.
This is you?
That's
Okay. And this is the only ID that you have?
Back on main. I guess I'm with fingerprint scanner.
Yeah.
Alpha 35.
35.
Can you start someone this way who's got a fingerprint scanner, please?
So you're telling me that your name is Emily Romain?
I don't say anything.
Okay.
There's nobody that name or date of birth.
What's your date of birth?
On the ID.
Okay. So you understand how this is becoming just at this point because you don't even know what your date of birth is?
5/20/1997.
Okay. And what is your name and your address?
Nothing.
There.
Oh, yeah, I was gonna say, it's...
Try to purchase anything?
Yes.
Okay, and when you ran it, what happened?
I didn't run the card. I realized that it's not. When I did scan, we got this feature using a barcode on the ID. This-
And it came up with that name that you showed me, right?
Yeah. That's it. After this, I understood already. It is here.
I'm sorry, I just need to take a look. All right, thank you. Can you just leave that up in case I just need it one more time?
Sure.
All right. All right, thank you.
Yeah, fingerprint scanner coming.
All right. Are you, All right, so is that the story you're sticking with? That this is your real ID, this is your real name, this is your real date of birth? Yes?
I actually don't have nothing else to say.
You don't have nothing else to say?
No.
Okay. Alright, just hold that for a second. Stand up for me for a second. You're just being detained as of right now. I'm just gonna put you in handcuffs, okay? Alright, just have a seat for a second until the other officer gets here, okay? Can you go for a second, Supervisor? I can look at that other ID that they have.
I am.
I'll be right back.
I'll be right here.
Things take a turn when officers speak to her Uber driver. He casually tells police the passenger's name is Alina, not Emily. At this point, officers know something isn't right. They request a fingerprint unit to respond to the scene to settle the identity once and for all.
Today.
50-50.
Hey, are you Uber by any chance?
Yes.
Who are you waiting for? What's her name? Long dark hair?
Oh, the girl?
Yeah.
Yeah, Lena.
Okay, what's the name you have for her?
Oh.
Here, write it down. Oh, Lena, do you have like her first and last name or her?
Uber
Take
just
a look at the 1017 and 42 zone.
the way the
Yeah, who does she, yeah, give me all the info you have if you don't mind.
Lena
Lena A. Where'd she come from? Where'd you pick her up at? Which one?
Yeah.
Oh, you're just picking her up.
Yeah.
Okay,
just
okay.
picking her up, yeah. Is there's some problem?
Yeah, she's not gonna be coming with you. She'll be coming with us.
Oh.
All right, so I don't know how you'd go about that fare. But do you have any other information on her phone number or anything?
Well, actually, it's just...
Okay, so when you text her, you don't get any of that, like phone or anything?
So I texted her that she told me that just told me something that's going to do this, you're right,
Okay,
are you coming?
but it didn't have a phone number?
No.
Okay,
Phone number is just the number, just...
Lena A. All right, get out of here. Go pick up some more fares. Make some more money.
Thanks.
All right, thank you. talk to your Uber guy. Do you have your information? You want to verify it, or you want to play this game?
I just said I don't have nothing.
You never use it just because this name.
Okay, just because, I mean, that's her name.
Lena. That's the name on the number. I mean, like I said, you already have I mean, I'm not going to ask you any more questions because you already said you wanted to exercise your rights, but I'm just saying you already have a fraudulent ID here, so it's already going to be an arrest.
Probably the credit card, too.
Yeah, I mean, I'm just not telling her this is the start of it. And then when the fingerprint scanner gets here and they fingerprint you, we'll figure out who you are, and then we'll go from there, okay? Is that a legit Uber driver?
Yeah, he gave me the, like,
45.
thanks for coming through.
Yeah, go for sunrise. It took me a little while.
Oh, jeez. You're the only one.
I hope so. You ever been arrested before? She doesn't want to talk.
I don't want to have personal questions.
I don't think it is, I guess.
Usually is.
It's pretty likely.
Is it Lena? I got it. There was an Uber outside waiting for her. He said her name was Lena.
I got it. She has first.
What do we got for the first name?
Helena Arenciba. Is her last name?
Lena A. I got it.
Sound about right? Does it come back with a Florida ID?
Arrested for battery by Lakeshore. Let's see. She lives in Lake Clark, Forest Hill.
It's going to be an 89. Really came out of the restaurant.
Just starts to her stomach.
You have like a DL number?
Nose
Nose,
pierced.
pierced back,
Tattoo
tattoo
left
left hand.
I don't know which way left is. No, that's right. No, that's left. Yeah.
Is there a picture DL number?
No, there isn't going to be a picture. At least not I can access. But
Do you have a DL number?
yes, the scar's marked tattoos. Yeah, I got her social, birthday.
All right, go with spell the first name for me.
Just search.
Alpha Lima.
Just one second.
Alpha Lima, India November Alpha.
Alpha Lima,
India November Alpha.
middle initial,
None.
last name.
Alpha Romeo, Echo November, Charlie India, Bravo India,
You're going
Alpha.
too fast. I'm not a dispatcher. Go ahead again.
ARENCIBIA.
Date of birth. And our DL number.
27 years old. She's a Florida State ID. I don't know. Doesn't
Does
show.
that have her social?
I can give her a state ID. I don't know if that means DL or not. It's going to be FL.
Oh, it's gonna be her like thing where they
it's
look up the
probably her
warrant.
booking
Yeah.
number.
One more time with that. FL0. All right, let me go look it up real quick. See if I can find something. A picture for her.
And she's just history of North Carolina.
And what is her current address on there? Does it have one?
Forest Hill Boulevard on Clare County.
That's it. Actual. Hold on.
All right, let me go try to find a picture of her.
The public is talking for 31 North Bed, 50 North North, talking about it for this one.
Alrighty. So do you have anything on you that's going to poke us, stick us, or anything like that that we need to know about?
No.
You are under arrest. Stand up.
Step over here. Yeah.
25, he's now on 32nd. Go ahead and northbound. Bed. Alpha
31st Street. Square. Thank you.
Did the lobby closet get handled or did that need to be assigned?
Okay, do you have jewelry on besides your nose ring?
No.
Piercing? Anything else? No other piercings?
Do you want to get those piercings out in booking?
Yeah. I'll look that up there. Back down there.
Probably has her ID in there now. Or in the back of her phone.
Probably in the back of the phone.
I'll grab this up since you're taking out. All right, thank you.
Thank you very much.
2 by 10, 2 and 3 by 10.